What's up, everybody? This is Monty from Dynojet. Today we're out here at lovely Pipestone, Montana. We have a Can-Am Maverick X3 RR. Now these are super famous side-by-sides. They're awesome for a lot of things. Whole bunch of different customization options. But up until now, really the only tuning options that you had would be to pull your ECU, send it in, get it unlocked, get it flashed. It works great, but for the people that don't want to go through all that hassle, they really had no other options until right now. Dynojet is proud to be offering the first inline plug-and-play tuning solution for these 21 plus Can-Am Maverick X3 RRs. All right, so what does this all really mean to you? Quickly covering kind of what you are going to be getting from this inline tuning solution, let's start with probably the main feature that we're really pumped about. And that is that you are now going to be getting 3 different power modes for your side-by-side. You will have 3 different options, and that will basically be from stock improved all the way up to race, where you're going to be getting the most power possible out of your Can-Am side-by-side. In addition to that, we know one of the biggest things that people love to do to these side-by-sides is put bigger wheels and tires on. For example, if someone were to buy some 35s on this side-by-side for better tractability, off-road, and aesthetically pleasing, they're going to need to get their speedometer recalibrated. What the Power Commander Delta allows you to do is adjust your speedometer based on tire size, so when you get these bigger wheels and tires, when you're going down the road, the speed that you're reading is the speed that you're going. Another cool feature that we have with the Power Commander Delta is you're actually able to adjust your speed limit. So a lot of these come stock with, 75, 80, 85 speed limit. The Delta will actually allow you to raise that. So if you want to, top out 90, 95, you'll have that ability. You also have ability to lower it if you have a newer driver, youth driver, whatever it may be. You can drop that speed limit max way down as far as you want to go, basically. All right, so now that I've covered, some of the really cool features with the Power Commander Delta, let's quickly just go over how you're going to use it. The Power Commander Delta is going to be completely app-driven via Bluetooth connectivity, and you will make all those adjustments on the Power Commander Delta app that is downloadable on the App Store and Google Play Store. Now that we've had our fun riding this thing with the Power Commander Delta, it's now your turn. Head to Dynojet.com or one of our authorized dealers, and you can buy this brand new inline plug-and-play tuning solution for these new Can-Am side-by-sides.